Mr. Dahiya saying he's reading the same model as you, Dr. Singh, but you are reading it very different than Mr. Dahiya.
Not like that. IMD is observing the various models. So many models, about 8 to 10 models. And that model synchronize on the day-to-day forecast, observe weather observations and seeing the weather pattern. As I say in earlier talk, that present WD effective 2 days in Northwest India, another is effective from 19th onward. In between there is the slight fall in the temperature, but that temperature so not much fall like a 1 or 2 degree. So IMD predicting not less than 3 to 4 degrees centigrade going to be held in Delhi. So IMD forecast not depend on the only model. IMD considering the actual observations, model guidance, climatology, experience, and that while considering these conditions, 3-4 conditions, then predict the temperature.
Dr. Charan Singh, sometimes you really shouldn't do it, but I'd just like to do it. I'd like to get both Dr. Charan Singh and Navdeep Dahiya in 2 windows next to me, and I will ask Mr. Navdeep Dahiya first. Mr. Dahiya, are you willing to take a bet on your prediction? Will you put your reputation on the line?
No, not like that, not at all. The science community doesn't, favor this kind of betting or anything like that, and we should definitely, there can be a difference in the prediction and all of that, but yeah, this should not be happening here. Yeah.
So, okay, but you're saying you could be wrong. You're saying you could be wrong then.
Yeah, definitely. It is a prediction. It can be wrong. It can be super accurate, and I will be like, it's okay, because this is what meteorology is itself. Predictions are off, predictions are super accurate.
That's a mature statement. Dr. Charan Singh, do you also agree that you could be wrong as well, that it could actually dip down to the level that Mr. Dahiya is saying?
I am not agree. I can say slight maybe wrong, but not larger scale wrong.
Okay, now I'll ask.
1 or 2 degree maybe fluctuate, not more than that.
1 or 2, sir, you predicted 2 degrees Celsius, 2 to 3 for Delhi. 1 or 2 में तो 0 degree तो हो ही जाएगा.
No, so I can say about 4 to 5 degrees. Just 1 degree can be fluctuate. 1 degree can fluctuate.
Okay, just for the record, where NCR region is concerned, Mr. Dahiya has predicted 0 to -1 degree Celsius, and Dr. Singh has predicted 4 degrees Celsius, but it could go down to 2 degrees Celsius is what he's saying. But Dr. KJ Ramesh, I want to ask you, I'm sorry, you've been the former director of the Indian Met Department, and I'll ask you one quick question, sir, before I close the show as well with all of you, and that comes from the fact that why is it that the IMD usually does get it wrong? While usually in other countries that you see, the other Met departments, I know you're shaking your head, sir, but I will give you a very recent prediction. In December, the IMD had predicted this to be the warmest, hottest winter that the NCR region had seen. Already we've broken 3 records.
See, you are comparing average tendencies which IMD has told for the season of December, January, February, 3 months average. That was the one which IMD has given. It is going to be above normal. In between the season, we are talking about the epochs of the cold waves and the western disturbances. So you cannot compare these temperature changes to the average picture. Wait up to February, IMD will give you verification.